Calculator on digital Calculator can help us to find out many things like mean, median, standard deviation, range, minimum value, maximum value, and so on. Let's see how the calculator can help us to solve this question. Take a moment to read the question. I'm sure you have seen a parabola equation in this, which is y equal to negative 2x square plus 9x. If you observe, there is a negative value in front of x square, which means the parabola is going to be upside down, like this. And we have another equation, which is 2y equal to c. This equation is parallel to x-axis. That means the parabola can cut the line at different places. Either it can cut at two places or it can even touch at one place. Now the key point here is the parabola has to touch exactly at one point. Now if you observe, the parabola will touch the line exactly at one point, which is the vertex of the parabola. To find out the value of c, if I know the value of y, which is more than sufficient. In this, the y coordinate of the vertex is what we need to find out. Let's plot this equation in the graph and see what is the vertex of the parabola. Right. Now if you see, we have the equation of the parabola in the graph, and let's identify what is the vertex of the parabola. If you observe, the vertex of the parabola is 2.5, 10.125, in which we just need the value of y. What is the value of y? 10.125. So if y is 10.125, what should be the value of c? C is 2 times 10.125, which is 20.25. So this is the value of c.